Hi everyone, my name is Abhinav from Migration Centre of Australia. I'm a registered migration agent. We've received quite a few inquiries and we have a lot of questions specifically for the training visa. So today we're going to be running through some of those questions to help clarify some of the doubts that you may have regarding the 407 training visa. And if you have anything else, you can contact us on 02 4626 1002 or head to our website to book in a consultation at a time that suits you best.
Hey Abhinav, I just thought to ask you that there is some confusion I'm actually going through when it comes to finding out which particular type of occupational training is suitable for me. Would you be able to throw some light as to what different types are available, what options are available for people who want to use 407 to enhance their skills? And what they should do, which type they should choose. I know you are an expert in the field. You also train migration agents through your CPDs on this particular visa subclass. So I would request if you can please help me and also other people who may be confused about the same thing. So if you could please explain, in simple language so that I can understand that what different options are available in occupational training 407 visa.
So firstly, we have the enhancing skill stream. Secondly, there is the registration stream. And the last stream is capacity building overseas. Now, depending on what you're eligible for and depending on your occupation, we can determine which will suit you best. Now, if your occupation requires registration licensing as a mandatory requirement, then you are required to gain some kind of experience to obtain that. We can opt for the registration stream. That means you can get practical training on a subclass 407 training visa and complete that to become registered. This may include pharmacists, lawyers or solicitors, electricians, and other occupations that are eligible. They don't necessarily even have to be on the certified list for the 407 training visa. It can be absolutely any occupation. Now, the second one where most people are eligible is in the enhancing skill stream. The enhancing skill stream allows people to build on already existing skills within Australia by obtaining practical experience. Now, for this enhancing skill stream, you have to make sure that your occupation is listed on the relevant instrument eligible for the subclass 407 training visa. There are a lot of occupations available in this stream. Now, this visa is for up to 2 years, and depending on how much skills you already have, you should nominate a duration that is suitable for the training needs specifically for you. This means it will require a specific training plan developed based on your skill gaps. Now, the third stream is capacity building overseas. This has 3 substreams, which is overseas qualification, government support, or professional development designed for senior managers or professionals to come to Australia to get training in a specific, more than likely a classroom-like setting. But the ones that are most suitable, I would say 90% of people, is the enhancing skill stream. Now, if you need to check your eligibility criteria, you can contact us to find out more.